In the quiet town of Willowbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering pines, lived Emma Reynolds. Emma was a talented artist with a heart as expansive as her canvases, yet her spirit was burdened by self-doubt and criticism. Her days were spent in solitude, painting in her small studio overlooking a tranquil lake, where the beauty of nature often inspired her work. One crisp autumn morning, Emma stumbled upon an old journal in her attic. Its pages, yellowed with time, contained her childhood sketches and dreams. As she flipped through the pages, memories of a carefree girl with boundless creativity flooded her mind. Something stirred within her, a longing to reconnect with that fearless, joyful spirit she once knew. Driven by a newfound determination, Emma embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She enrolled in art classes at the local community center, where she met Olivia, a wise and compassionate instructor. Olivia encouraged Emma to explore new techniques and embrace imperfections as part of her artistic expression. Through painting landscapes and abstracts, Emma learned to channel her emotions onto the canvas, discovering a sense of liberation and peace in the creative process. Outside the studio, Emma began practicing mindfulness and meditation by the lake. The rhythmic lapping of water against the shore became a soothing backdrop to her inner reflections. She started journaling again, jotting down her thoughts, dreams, and small victories. With each stroke of the brush and each written word, Emma cultivated a deeper appreciation for her journey and the person she was becoming. Emma's journey towards self-love was not without its challenges. Despite the strides she made in her art and personal growth, deep-seated insecurities and past disappointments continued to cast shadows over her progress. There were moments when she found herself paralyzed by self-doubt, questioning her worth and talents in the face of adversity. One particularly challenging day, Emma sat in her studio, staring at a blank canvas. Her mind was clouded with doubts, her inner critic relentless in its critique. She recalled Olivia's words about embracing imperfections and allowing vulnerability to fuel creativity, yet the weight of expectation felt suffocating. Frustrated, Emma decided to take a break and wandered outside to the tranquil lake behind her studio. The water was calm, reflecting the clear blue sky above. Sitting by the shore, she closed her eyes and focused on her breath, trying to calm the storm within. Memories of past failures and criticisms resurfaced, each one a dagger to her fragile sense of self. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Emma felt a wave of sadness wash over her. She realized that self-love wasn't just about celebrating her strengths, but also about acknowledging and accepting her vulnerabilities. It was a journey of healing old wounds and rewriting the narratives that held her back. With renewed determination, Emma sought solace in nature. She took long walks through the woods surrounding Willowbrook, allowing the beauty of the changing seasons to soothe her troubled soul. In the spring, she marveled at the delicate blossoms that emerged from once barren branches, a reminder of resilience and renewal. In the summer, she found solace in the vibrant colors of wildflowers that dotted the meadows, each petal a testament to beauty in imperfection. Autumn brought a sense of introspection as Emma watched the leaves turn from green to gold, then gently fall to the ground. She realized that, like the leaves, she too was undergoing a transformation, a shedding of old beliefs and insecurities to make way for new growth. Winter offered moments of quiet reflection as Emma sat by the crackling fireplace, journal in hand, pouring her thoughts onto the pages. Through it all, Olivia remained a steady presence in Emma's life. The wise art instructor offered gentle guidance and encouragement, reminding Emma that self-love was a journey, not a destination. She encouraged Emma to confront her inner critic with compassion and understanding, to see setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than reasons for self-condemnation. As Emma navigated the complexities of her journey, she began to see herself through a new lens, a lens of kindness and acceptance. She realized that true self-love wasn't about achieving perfection, but about embracing her flaws and vulnerabilities as integral parts of her unique journey. With each step forward, Emma moved closer to uncovering the radiant essence that had always resided within her. Buoyed by Olivia's guidance and her own inner resilience, Emma embarked on a deliberate path of self-care and personal growth. she recognized that nurturing self-love required a holistic approach, one that encompassed not only her artistic pursuits, but also her physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Emma established a daily routine that prioritized self-care. Mornings began with gentle yoga sessions in her sunlit studio, where she stretched her body and quieted her mind. The rhythmic flow of movements grounded her, fostering a sense of inner peace and connection to her body. Nutritious meals became a cornerstone of Emma's self-care regimen. She discovered the joy of preparing wholesome dishes using locally sourced ingredients from Willowbrook's farmers market. Cooking became a meditative practice, a way for Emma to nourish herself from within and savor the flavors of each season. Evenings were dedicated to unwinding and replenishing her spirit. Emma indulged in long, lavender-scented baths that calmed her senses and melted away the tensions of the day. She immersed herself in literature that inspired introspection and growth, finding solace and wisdom in the pages of books that spoke to her soul. Throughout her journey, Emma continued to explore different forms of artistic expression. She experimented with mixed media, creating collages that juxtaposed vibrant colors and textures. Each piece reflected a facet of her evolving journey towards self-love, bold and expressive, yet layered with depth and introspection. Her studio became a sanctuary of creativity and self-discovery. Emma filled the walls with canvases that captured moments of beauty and vulnerability. She painted self-portraits that revealed her inner landscape, eyes that sparkled with resilience, a smile that spoke of newfound confidence, and brushstrokes that echoed the rhythm of her heart. As Emma immersed herself in her art, she found healing in the act of creation. Painting became a form of meditation, a way to channel her emotions onto the canvas and release the burdens that weighed on her spirit. With each stroke of the brush, she celebrated her journey and embraced the imperfections that made her uniquely herself. Her newfound sense of self-love radiated through her interactions with others. Emma approached relationships with compassion and authenticity, fostering connections based on mutual respect and understanding. She cherished moments of laughter and shared experiences, recognizing the richness they added to her life. Through it all, Emma's journey towards self-love was a testament to resilience, courage, and the transformative power of embracing one's true essence. She had learned to honor her strengths and accept her vulnerabilities, weaving them into the tapestry of her life with grace and gratitude. As Emma stood on the shore of the lake one crisp autumn morning, she gazed at her reflection in the tranquil waters. The woman staring back at her was no longer defined by self-doubt or insecurities, but by resilience, courage, and an unwavering commitment to self-love. She smiled, feeling a deep sense of gratitude for the journey that had brought her to this moment of profound self-acceptance. Emma's story resonated with others in Willowbrook and beyond, inspiring them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and self-love. She hosted workshops and art therapy sessions, sharing her experiences and encouraging others to embrace their unique paths. Through her art and her words, Emma became a beacon of light, reminding everyone that true beauty and strength stem from within.